Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another episode where we break down the essentials of managing your digital assets. Today, we're tackling how to transfer USDT to another account in 2025. If you're new here, USDT, or Tether, is a popular stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a stable option for transfers in the volatile crypto world. Whether you're sending funds to a friend, investing, or just moving things around, this guide will get you sorted quickly and safely. First things first, make sure you have a secure wallet or exchange account set up. In 2025, with evolving regulations, always double-check for any new compliance requirements in your region. Step 1. Log into your crypto wallet or exchange app. Look for the Wallet or Assets section and select USDT from your list of holdings. It's usually right there, front and center. Step 2. Navigate to the Send or Transfer option. You'll need the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this to avoid any costly mistakes. Enter the amount you want to send, and don't forget to review any transaction fees, which might have changed by 2025 due to network upgrades. Step 3. If your account has two-factor authentication, 2FA, enable it for extra security. It's a must in today's crypto landscape. Hit Confirm and wait for the transaction to process. On most networks like Tron or Ethereum, this should take just a few minutes, but keep an eye on it. A quick tip. Always use official apps and avoid public Wi-Fi for these transfers to protect against hacks. By 2025, we might see even faster transfers with new blockchain tech, so stay updated. There you have it. That's how you transfer USDT smoothly. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Remember, crypto is exciting but handle it with care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.